Hey everybody, in this video got a Corbin padlock here. I don't know what model it is, but this thing is massive. It came from a jail or something, but it's huge. It's like 3 inches by 2.5 inches, and it's heavy too. The thing weighs a ton. But got this on eBay without a key, and we're gonna see if we can get it open. And don't know if we'll be able to gut it or not. I did figure out it's an Abus keyway, not a Corbin keyway. It's an Abus, it's like AB20, I believe. Don't know if that blank is the right blank or not as far as length goes, but we'll get it open and take a look at it. I was kind of hoping there'd be a key code or something on it that I could just easily cut a key, but there's not. So I'm going to try going some top of the keyway action here with 50 thousandths. And since it's an Abus keyway, I'm going to use a 25 thousandths pick. I'm sorry, an 18 thousandths pick. Try to get in there. And the sellers thought this might have been master pinned. So, possible. I got a little bit of rotation there. It's also very possible this thing hasn't been opened in a long time. I would say that's pretty likely, actually. So it's also pretty likely this is the largest padlock that I own. Yeah, we're open. Didn't really get a lot of feedback or anything from it. Try not to let the cylinder spin back here. And disappointingly enough, it looks like this is not going to be rekeyable. Unless this thing comes out somehow, but I don't see how it could. So, I guess we don't get to gut this one. Man, I don't want to let it lock back. Oh well. That massive lug there. A lot of dirt and grime and gunk in it. And unfortunately no key code. So I guess that's going to do it for this video. It's a old Corbin padlock picked. And that'll do it for now. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, of course. I always forget to beg for subscribers. So don't forget to do that. And we will talk to everybody later.